Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Prosser, and we're going to look at how you resize images in your HTML code. There's two ways to do it. First off, here's my image, it's too big. You can add another attribute at the end called style equals, and this is where you can add the width and specify a specific width. For example, here I can specify maybe 300 pixels. I'll just try that. Semicolon, height, 300 pixels, close your quotation marks, and then you'll see it resized it. Now, the downside with this is it's kind of a guessing game. So now this is kind of stretched out. Let me maybe make it 200 by 300. That looks a little better. But you'll notice it'll let you stretch it to whatever size, which sometimes will squish it. If you don't want it to be squished, if you want it to keep those same dimensions, what I would recommend is actually opening the file in Finder. Go to Finder, you might see it right here under Recents, or you can go to Downloads and just double click on the image. Let me actually open my other one. If I double click on this image, what I can do is actually go under Tools, I can go to Adjust Size. And here, I can change the pixels to, let's say I want 300 wide. It will actually automatically scale it proportionally. So here it fixed the height. Now, I can either resize it and re-upload it, or I can say, okay, well, this is the right, these are the dimensions I want, 300 by 410. Now I'll just go back over here and change it. So 300 by 410. And that will keep it the same size, that actual proportional size, so it's not stretched or squished. That's how I recommend doing it. That's an easy way to find out what the dimensions should be to keep it proportional. And you can do that with any image that you add. You just add this style section. Style equals quotation mark width, colon, the number px for pixels, semicolon, height, colon, the number pixels px, end quote. If you ever forget this, you can also just Google it. Google's a wonderful thing. You can just go to Google, search for HTML picture size or something like that, and you can totally find this very quickly if you forget. With that, it is that easy to resize your images. Enjoy.